Okay, guys, so y'all know how big my tackle box is for fishing, but it has the small rows and can't fit no big lures. Tell me why. We just got back from Academy. Tell me why I spent $6.99 on this massive swim bait. This massive bluegill swim bait. It is very realistic. It swims. And then I grabbed my small tackle box and realized, wait, it has a flat surface. I might be able to fit it in. Excuse me, birds. Thank God. It fits. I got so scared, I was like, I literally just bought that for nothing. Then I found out it fits in there, and I'm so happy. And I want to show you all the stuff I got. So, I got a tail spinner. I tie it on up here for some reason. Tail spinner in the back. The hook set right there. And then the best lure. The Whopper Plopper. It's the best lure I have now. And then I also got the bluegill thing, as y'all just seen. Then I got, it's right up here, some new fishing line. I already put it on my bait caster. I found out how to tie the uni knot. But yeah, guys. And then I also got a chatterbait. Chatterbait on there as well. See, it's the green line. And I also have a split shot on here. Dang it, I should have got myself some split shots. And yeah, guys, that's it. But my favorite thing I got was the big bluegill. And it has to be a monster that's going to eat this. And I've seen fish that will take this. I'm scared of fish that have teeth when I'm using lures. Because say they bite and take my lure. That would just, oh no, just thinking of it. Now, why do I even buy lures? Say, a massive pike or a muskie or an alligator gar, shovel nose gar, a gar. Oh my God. I'm scared now. I don't ever want to use my lures. This. Okay. But guys, yeah. I just wanted to tell y'all about my... Dude, I swear, Germ Fishing, I watch him. He's a YouTuber on one of the bluegill. This exact bluegill, actually, sent him to the hospital because it got hooked on him or something. I don't know. I don't know what happened, but he keeps mentioning it. And he said, and I got another one. And it was one just like this. But I swear to y'all, this thing is about to put me in the hospital. Okay. That thing might put me in the hospital. Oh, this is another thing I like, my spinner baits. And no, you're not going crazy. I don't have two of the same ones. They're different. This is the box that Chatterbait came in. I just have a ton of fishing trash. But guys, yeah, I'm gonna get off of this video, so bye.